Good morning, students. Welcome to the chapter number 4, Nouns Gender. Today we are going to see details about chapter number 4, Nouns Gender. All of you know gender. We have studied in the previous lecture. Gender can be masculine, feminine, common, and neutral. Okay, let us take a revision what we have learned in the previous lecture. Let us revise what we have learned. Now, in the previous chapter, we have seen this page, nouns, gender. So, this was a short story that we have seen, Grandma and Friends, features in a children magazine. So, Grandma and Friends, who is Grandma? She is Grandma, okay. Grandma is the team leader. She knows all about grammar. She loves stars. So, here she is Grandma. She is the team leader and she loves grammar and she loves stars. Okay, she knows all about grammar and she loves stars. Next character is GT. GT is a female robot. She loves to play the guitar. She is very excited to go to planet Mars. So here GT is a female robot. Okay, she loves to play the guitar. She loves to play guitar. She is very excited to go to planet Mars. So she wants to go to planet Mars. Third character which we have seen was the Post. Post is a very active dog. He and GT are best friend. He and GT. Okay, so dog is a masculine. So here you can see he is a male. So Post is there. So Post is a male. So Post is a very active dog. He and GT are best friend. He and GT are best friend. Post wants to go to the sun. Maybe we should tell him that it's too hot there. So Post wants to go to sun. Okay. Last character is Mac. Mac is a bird. He is the youngest of the group. He wanted to fly to other planets on his own. I have wings, he says. So Mac is the parrot. Okay, he is a bird. So he is the very youngest means he is smaller than all of them. Okay, so he is the youngest of the group. He wants to fly to other planets of the own. So Mac is smaller than all of the characters. Okay, but he wants to go to other planets to see. Okay, now let us turn new page. Before going, let us complete this exercise. In Grandma's team, which members are male and which members are female? So, which members in Grandma's 4 members are there who are male and female? Female is Grandma and GT, and male are Post and Mac. Okay. So, here you can see you can write the answer in the blanks. In Grandma team, which members are male and which are female? Female are Grandma and GT. Male is Post and Mac. So write down on the first page this, okay, in your textbook. Female is Grandma GT and male is Post and Mac. Okay. Next. Now here you can see page number 19. On the basis of the gender, noun can be classified as following. So on the gender noun, how they are classified? Nouns are how are classified, that we are going to see. Okay, so open page number 19. On the basis of their gender, noun can be classified as following. First, masculine gender noun. Masculine gender nouns refers to the male members of a species. So male member of a species is called masculine. Okay. Examples are lion, boy, hero, peacock, wizard. Wizard means what? Wizard means a person who makes magic. Okay. In Hindi we can say jadugar. Okay. Second one, feminine gender groups refer to the male members of a species. Okay. If a Noun is a female, okay, so it is called feminine. Example, lioness, girl, heroine, peahen, witch. So you can see the difference here. Masculine lion is there and feminine lioness is there. In masculine boy is there, here girl, hero, heroine, peacock, peahen, wizard, witch. Wizard means jadugar and witch means jadugarni. Okay, so here it is. Okay, now let us see some more nouns, common gender nouns and neutral gender nouns. So common gender nouns name a person who can be either be a male or a female. The nouns does not reveal the gender. Example, doctor, friend, member, leader, astronaut. Now students, here you can see here common gender nouns means it can be both male as well as female. So doctor can be male as well as female. Friend can be a male as well as female. Okay, member can also be a male or female. So it's called common gender nouns. Leader, astronaut, both can be male as well as female. Okay, so they are common gender nouns. They does not reveal the gender. Next is neuter gender nouns. Name things. Okay, so neuter gender nouns is for naming things. Example, table, book, tree, street, stars. So students, in neuter gender nouns, so many things can become, anything will become bag, paper, pencil. These are neuter gender nouns. Okay, so things they can see. Okay, neuter gender nouns refers to the things. Okay, next here, first exercise of your of this chapter is classify the following nouns according to gender. So you have to classify the following nouns according to gender. So here, notebook, key, lawyer, nice, cow, headmistress, bull, principal, judge, wife, prince, cousin, tigress, sandwich, head boy. So these are the, in the brackets, these are all the names here. So now let us classify. In feminine, which will come? In feminine, notebook. Notebook is a thing. Okay, so it will come in the neuter gender nouns. Next is key. Key is also a thing. So key will come in neuter gender gender noun. Lawyer. Lawyer can be a girl as well as boy. So it will come in the common noun. Okay. Nice. Nice means, okay, nice is a feminine word, so it will come nice. Nephew, nice. Okay, nice we can say bhanja, bhanji we are saying as a nice meaning that. Okay, cow, cow is also feminine. Headmistress, it's also feminine. Bull, bull is a male. Okay, so here masculine. Principal, okay, principal gender can be, it can be a girl as it can be a girl or a boy. Okay, principal, so principal is here. Judge, judge again here judge will become in common. Wife, wife is a feminine. Prince, prince is also a masculine. Cousin, cousin can be a girl as well as boy, so cousin will be common. Okay, tigress again feminine. Sandwich is a thing, so it will come here in neuter gender noun. Head boy is a masculine. Okay, so like this the all are arranged. So this was our exercise, classify the nouns according to gender. Now here page number 20, you can see here, look at the following list to refresh your memory. Example of few masculine and feminine gender nouns for human beings. So here you can see examples are given of masculine and feminine. Duke, duchess, gentleman, lady, monk, nun, hero, heroine, groom, bride. Okay, so duke, duchess is coming here. Okay. Now gentleman, lady. Okay. Monk, monk means sadhu. Okay. Nun, sadhvi. Okay. Monk, nun. Hero, heroine. Groom, bride. So what is the name of groom? Means dulha. Okay. Bride means dulhan. Okay. Now next is masculine, feminine. Next one, landlord, landlady. Okay. Landlord, a person who is having some land is called landlord. Okay. And the lady who is having the land is called landlady. Nephew, nice. Grandfather, grandmother. God, goddess. Okay. God means a male person and goddess means female person. So god, goddess. Uncle, aunt. So these are all the masculine and feminine gender nouns for human beings. For person, these are used masculine and feminine. Let us see some more example. Second one, example of a few masculine and feminine gender nouns for animals and birds. Now we are going to see about animals and birds here. Horse, horse is a animal, so it will come stallion, mare. Horse, male will be there, stallion, feminine will be mare. Sheep, ram, eve. Chicken, rooster, hen. Duck, drake, duck. Okay. Masculine, if a duck is masculine is a male, it will say drake. If it is a female, it will say duck. Now similarly here, cow, bull, cow. Fox, fox, vixen. Tiger, tigress. Deer, buck, stag, dove or hind. Okay. So students, this you have to remember. Okay, this masculine, feminine you will remember, because in the next exercise we have to going to use these words only. Okay. So let us start with our next exercise. B1. Read the following sentence, change the masculine noun to feminine nouns and rewrite the sentence in the space below. We have to change a few other words like his or her too. Now here masculine, where is the masculine? We have to change that in the feminine. Okay. If it is a male version is there, we have to change to female version. Other also we have to rewrite the sentence as it is, and we have to change the word his to her. Okay. Okay. If his is for male and her is for female. So let us start. So here it is. First one, the boys are waiting for headmaster. So the girls are waiting for the headmistress. Now here two things are changed. Boys we have changed to girls, and headmaster we have changed to headmistress. Okay. Second one, my grandmother is taking all her grandsons out for lunch. Sorry, my grandmother is taking all her grandsons out for lunch. Answer is, my grandfather is taking all his granddaughters out for lunch. Okay. Okay. Here two things are changed. Grandfather, grandmother to grandfather, and her to his, and grandson to granddaughters. Okay. Okay. Now next one, here today is there, you can use for lunch also you can use. Okay. Third one, king and the prince spotted a tigress. Answer is, the queen and the princess spotted a tiger. Now here you can see king is there, we have changed to queen here. King is masculine, queen is feminine. Prince, princess, tigress, tiger. Okay. Tigress is a feminine, tiger is a masculine. Okay. Next one, fourth one, The gentleman has arrived. The lady has arrived. Gentleman is converted into lady. Fifth one, the farm has 2 stallions, 3 cows and 15 roosters. Okay. Now, horse male version is called stallion. Okay. Now, you can see here answer, the farm has 2 mares, stallions is converted to mares, 3 cows. So, cows are changed to 3 bulls and 15 roosters. So, roosters are changed to hen and 50 hens. Rooster is changed to hens. Okay. Sixth one, the old woman's nephew visit her every Sunday. So, the answer is the old man's niece visit him every Sunday. Now, here you can see woman is converted into man's, nephew is converted to niece and her is converted to him. So, this was our exercise of B, and we have completed now chapter number 4, nouns gender. So, study it once more time, read whole chapter once more time. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the live class. Write this with a good handwriting. Okay. So, that is for all today now. Thank you and have a nice day.